guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are playing Minecraft 5. First, let's play hide and seek. Why not, bro? By the way, I'm good at hiding and hide and seek, guys. I'm super good at hiding and hide and seek because it's hide and seek. Bro, I went to hospital for the doctor to get. First, granite is good. Because I'm eating something, guys. Guys, I'm eating something. Yes, I'm not a seeker. What am I again? Polish granite? Oh, hell no. Wait. I'm hidden. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, by the way, I'm eating something. Oh my god. Bro, almost got me. My god. Oh my god. What? No one looking, bro? Oh my god! Changing position in time, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Hide and seek the goat, man. Oh my god. No way, someone is close. Stupid! Stupid! Just wait. Come on, man, oh my god. This is so epic. I can't count anymore, bro. Oh, freaky, bro. Oh, freaky. Bro. Oh my god. They are cornering. If he falls, he falls. Wait, no one will notice, right? 6-9! Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, I need to notice, bro. Surely, bro. Surely, I'm gonna... Run! Run for your goddamn life! Fire! Run! Run! Run for your goddamn life! Run for your goddamn life! Run for your goddamn life! Run! Easy, bro. Easy, bro. Easy. Oh my god, where is it? There you go. Block skilled. Longest hidden. Oh my god. Most stuns! 36! What the fuck? Why am I girl? Another block. Hide and seek, bro. Let me win in hide and seek. Let's go in construction. We will win this. So polish granite, man. Now it's polish on the side. Oh my god, bookshelf. I want to be a bookshelf, man. I love a lot of knowledge. Okay, guys, why end up freaking tying it down? Wait, I know a hiding spot. Is it here? No, I know where is it. But where is that hiding spot? Is it here? Oh, you're not you guys, but them, bro. Oh my god. No one will notice, man. I want this llama. Someone will notice it, right? Oh my god, I think they are so stupid, oh. My god. Oh my god. I'm gonna just stay here, man. While I'm doing something. Like while I'm drinking, eating, nothing. Guys, if you see something, bro, hide here because this is so good of a hiding spot. You know why? A lot of them are stupid and they will not know either. Oh yeah, that's it. I heard. Oh my god, my neighborhood. Neighbor. Howdy, neighbor. If I'm a leaf, where should I hide? Let's make noise. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. I'm super powerful. I like this control because I already know it. And I'm gonna be mastering this control, man. I already mastered this control. Wargi. Skibidi. Yeah, skibidi raid, brother. Skibidi. Hey, yo, bro! Stop hitting me like a dog! do I do? No! Oh my god, why, bro? Why? Why me? Why is it worth or not worth it? I'm not gonna rat out my fellow people, man. Oh my god. I saw a wonderful spot. You know where? I know where. Follow down the side. Follow everything. Bro, jinxing us, man. He's dead. Is he dead? Bro, he's jinxing us, bro. Is he dead? Is he dead? Is he jinxing us? I think this is my self. Oh! I know where to hide again, bro. You hide here. You jump here. You hide here. I thought that's the other hiding spot. This is the normal good hiding spot, guys. But no one is there, though. And why does some cars not good? One more bookset, man. Oh my god, bro, I almost saying yo, GG's. GG's to the winners, man. GG's. GG's. That's a GG's for you guys. That's a GG's. Do I get something? Oh my god, bro. That sucks. Now for the last game, we are gonna play. Not there, but there. We're gonna play. You know what? Or not play, bro. I'm just gonna see a wonderful build in hide, bro. Look at that, bro. Who built this, man? You're super good at building. And I appreciate hide in Bedrock, man. In Minecraft Bedrock, guys. I appreciate. Look. If you guys want another Minecraft Hive video, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. That's it, bro. Like and subscribe. But what is this? What is this? I really don't know this. Oh, bridge ticket. Yeah, guys, play all of this game. Play the games that is good. Play not the games that are so many people want, bro. Play all that you want, bro. Okay, guys, this is if you want to see another Minecraft Hive video, like and subscribe. Bye guys, bye, and play all the games. Bye.